Hey everyone! In today's video, we have an iPhone 12 Pro with a green line issue on its display. The True Tone is still working fine, but since the screen has this line, we'll replace it, and we'll do it in such a way that no one can tell the display has been changed. First, let's power off the phone and remove the display using a screwdriver. Now carefully disconnect all the flex cables to separate the screen from the body. Next, we'll use a heat gun, set to 100 degrees Celsius, to gently heat and remove the plastic cover on top of the display IC. After that, increase the temperature to 320 degrees Celsius and carefully lift the IC using a thin prying tool. Now we'll prepare the new display. We place it into the True Tone programmer machine to get it ready. Then, we connect it to the phone to check if True Tone is working. Yes, True Tone is detected, but there's a pop-up message saying the display has been replaced. To remove this message, we'll swap the original display's IC onto the new display. So again, using 320 degrees Celsius heat, we warm the IC area of the old screen and remove the glue carefully. Then we do the same for the new display. Remove the top plastic cover, heat it, and detach its IC. Carefully lift the IC using a thin prying tool. After cleaning the IC pads nicely, we apply a bit of liquid flux and attach the old IC onto the new display. Heat it once more to secure it perfectly. Now, let's reconnect the new display to the phone and test it again. Perfect. True Tone is working properly, and there's no replacement message this time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Noor Telecom for more repair tutorials.